Hey guys, welcome to another mini vlog where we watch Jungkook's I Am Still. We are a little bit late to this. That's because Paul was on a trip and ngayon lang kami nagkaroon ng time to watch this. We watched this at Glorieta Cinemas for 500 pesos each. Meron ka ng photo card. Unfortunately, wala na yung photo book popcorn package. Kaya nagramen na lang kami. Let's go. Nakakatuwa na may merch booth outside the cinema. I have to say, ang ganda na ng cinema ng Glorieta, para na siyang lazy boy na nare-recline. Unlike before na medyo dated. Ilan lang kami nanood dito, but that's because I guess 1 week later na to. So ayan, nirecord ko yung intro para ma-enjoy nyo kahit bawal. Oh my God. That's him. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Ganon. So syempre hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo lahat kasi gusto kong panoorin. But honestly, there were times na para siyang private concert. Tapos may times na parang nagko-confessional si Jungkook. It's really an inside look to his debut as a